Thank you so much for watching Mommy Did You Know? So for this session, we're actually going to talk about the keys to pumping. Now this is wonderful. These are just my 5 keys and I know that it will really help you out. Make sure that you subscribe. That's a little button on the bottom. That's just a wonderful way to help support me, help support this channel. And without further ado, let's begin.
Mommy, did you know?
So guys, I'm going to let you in on my secrets. I have 5 keys to pumping that I know will really be helpful for you. Number 1 is early pumping. That is a huge key to pumping. If you are separated between you and your baby for whatever reason, if mommy's unstable, baby's unstable, for whatever reason, you have to start pumping early. Early stimulation to the breast is the best way to protect your milk supply. So you want to have early pumping. That's my key number 1. Key number 2 is frequent and effective pumping sessions. So frequent basically means you want to try to pump about the same amount of times that your baby will be eating. So if you have a newborn that's eating every 2 to 3 hours, you would want to pump every 2 to 3 hours. And usually it's about 15 minutes on each side. So we have early pumpings, number 1, frequent and effective pumpings, number 2. Number 3 is a very important key. That's wear the right bra. A lot of people don't realize if you have a bra with an underwire, sometimes not only does it clog your milk ducts and it can cause mastitis, but overall it helps with the milk flow if you have a nice flowing bra with no underwire. So that bra, it really is key. Number 4 is my personal favorite, and that's compression. Not only just have the pump here and go because that's pretty much how the machine sounds, but you actually want to compress. And you can even, what I do is I'll take my thumb and I'll put it here in like a circular motion, go down, and you can express as well. When you express, I usually make like a C. I put it around the areola, I go back because that's where the milk production, all those receptors are for milk production are in the back of the breast. So don't just pinch the nipple and be like, see, I don't have anything. What you want to do, you want to have like a C and go towards the back of the breast and then compress out. So what you can do is go like this, and you can go down, and then you can manually express as well and then come out. So that compression while you're pumping will help you like wonders. And then number 5 is something that a lot of people actually overlook, but it's to have the right size flange. That's the nipple shield, like that, not the nipple shield, but the breast shield. That's the part that actually goes over the nipple and the breast. What a lot of people don't realize is that that shield has different sizes. So what you want to make sure is that your nipple is in the right size, that it's not hitting the walls of that shield, of the flange. Because if it's hitting the walls, you're not going to have adequate milk flow, and then you're going to end up stopping your milk supply. And then of course when you are pumping, you want to make sure for the intensity that it's strong enough that you can feel it letting down if you feel that it's working, but not so strong that you feel pain. If you feel pain, that means you have to lower that dial a little bit, okay? So those were my 5 keys to pumping. Just really quick recap. It's early pumping, usually about 1 to 3 hours after separation. Frequent and effective pumping, every about 2 to 3 hours for about 15 minutes. Wear the right bra. That means a bra without any underwire that has a lot of milk flow that will help you to prevent mastitis. Number 4 is compression. Compression, actually, you'll be surprised how much compression helps with the milk flow, and it will really help your production. And number 5 is to wear the right size flange on your pump. I do offer consultations as well. So of course, if you have any questions, check out my website, mommydidyounknow.com. I also have a lot of nice ebooks. I have online classes for you. I have so many different resources. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't, and I look forward to having a wonderful relationship with you, developing with you and your family. You can also, I'd love to hear from you. You can put in your comments, your favorite keys or your favorite videos, and I look forward to having a wonderful day, and I hope you have a wonderful day as well. Thank you so much for watching my 5 keys to pumping. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel, and you can also sign up at mommydidyounknow.com. I have ebooks down there, resources, a whole bunch of online classes. You can keep looking through my channel as well. I have so many wonderful videos for you.